One of the keys to running successful Facebook ad campaigns for generating mortgage leads is to grab people's attention. So I've found that by using animated images that I create in Canva to be very helpful. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to generate refinance leads using one of these animated videos. So let's go check it out. So here I am in my Canva account. I'm going to just go ahead and show you the end result. So I'll just go ahead and come up here and push this play button. All right, check it out. This is how it'll look in your ad. Let's go ahead and start that over. So here you can see these different homeowners are saving money, and the question is asked, how much could you save? Click send message. I've got this set up to run for messenger ads. So let me show you real quick how we went ahead and made this. Go over here to create a design. Let's use a custom size, 1080 by 1080. So we've got our blank canvas right here. Let's go ahead and get a photo. I've got this one up here recently saved. I just went ahead and put home aerial view. Let me see. Yeah, homes from above. That's what I searched, and I found this one. It's kind of cool. It's got green trees in it, and it's got a couple of pictures of homes in there. So let's go ahead and make this big enough to fill the screen so we can see what it is that we're looking at here. There we go. Get it centered just like that. Click out of the picture, and there we go. Now it's positioned properly. Now let's go ahead and go to Elements. And we're going to, now I've kind of got a cheater here. I've got my recently used folder open, and you can see that I've got a couple of different things here that I've used. But what you'll want to do is just go into lines and shapes and hit see all. And then you can come down here and grab an image like this, or you can also go into stickers. And what happens is you get these cool animated images that you can put right into your ad. But rather than research for all this stuff, what I'm going to do is come back up and hit my recently used, and I'm going to position one of these over here, and I'm going to grab the handlebar and circle it around, get it at 90 degrees, size it appropriately, and position it right above a house, just like that. There we go, 90 degrees. Now I'm also going to grab another one and put it over here. Like this. Now let's go ahead and do this. If I click on it and hit plus, it duplicates it. So now it's the appropriate size and everything. I'll just drag it over to this home right here. All right, perfect. Now we can go ahead and change the colors of those. Let's go ahead and make them a nice bright color. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab this pulsating oval and size it so that it is about the right size for this. Get it positioned on that. Just like that, just to give it a little bit of extra pop. Now I'm also going to take this rectangle over here and size it over here. So it just grabs a little bit more attention with that movement. All right, there we go. So now what we can do is we can just come over here and hit text and grab a subheading, and let's make this one say saving $389 a month. And we can kind of drag it up there just like that. And then what we can do is highlight it and then hit that plus sign and duplicate it, and then drag this one over here. Maybe make it a little bit smaller so it fits right there. Change that number to 419 or something, right? Now if I want to, I can highlight that and I can make the text white. Is that a little easier to see than the black? I don't know, it's a matter of taste, it's up to you. I kind of like the black in this one. I'm going to leave this one black as well. Or here, actually, this will be fun. Let's make it blue. Yeah, there we go. There, look at that. All right, cool. So now what we can do is I can add a page, or actually I can duplicate this page. I probably should have done that when I grabbed the picture first, but no big deal. So now I'm going to, now I've got 2 of those pages. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Perfect. Now I can go ahead and delete this stuff. Actually, what you can do is you can kind of just click and drag and then hit delete, and it all deletes out of there. Click and drag, and it deletes everything out of there. So there's my first frame with how much people are saving. Now here what I can do is I can come back to elements, and what I want to do is grab one of these pulsating squares like this and just kind of bring it over, and then I'm going to maybe make it a little bit transparent so you can see the picture through it. Maybe make it like 75, yeah, like that. Perfect. Now I can grab some text and bring it over here and ask the question, how much could you save? Question mark. And if we want to resize the text, all we've got to do is drag those handlebars and make it a little bit bigger. Maybe make it a little wider. There we go. Get it centered. How much could you save? I kind of like it black still. We'll leave it black. Or, yeah, we'll go back with the blue. That's fun. That's not too cool. Actually, what we need to do is we need to make that less transparent. We'll leave it black. There we go. How much could you save? Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to hit the plus sign and drag the other one down here. Highlight this, hit the plus sign, and drag the other one down here. Now look at that, I accidentally covered it up. But look, you can hit this position button and make it go backward. So now the text is in front. And then let's make this one say click send message, because it's a messenger ad. Oops. There we go. Now I can just mouse over until I see the 4 angled star there, and now I can kind of reposition this. There we go. So now you can see I've got how much people are saving, how much could you save, and click send message. Now what I want to do is I want to make this timing more like 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds, apply to all 3 pages, and now I'm going to hit the play button and you can see what it looks like. There we go. Now we've got an animated video for our refinance ads, so we can generate refinance mortgage leads by using Facebook ads. Just go ahead and download this as an MP4, and you can upload it right into your Facebook Ads Manager. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.